Cheers to being here. I am drinking my It Works energy because I really need energy. Yep. So, what we got here today is our FabFitFun box. This one was the spring edition. I am so late on opening this because I have not had time. I'm not in the mood. I have not been wanting to film anything, but now I am. I have no idea what's in here. I have not looked at anybody else's box. This is, oh, it doesn't have a catalog thingy. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. How do you pronounce that, Mom?
What?
Microdermabrasion?
Microdermal abrasion?
No, there's no L. Age-defying exfoliator.
Microdermabrasion?
Yes. Dermabrasion. Whatever. So this formula, it says here that it contains aluminum oxide crystals, lactic acid, smoothing botanicals to polish away dead cells, and leaves you with a bright, healthy looking skin. 1 to 2 times a week, allowing 3 days between. So I'm still young, so I don't know if I'll need that yet. I Am Awesome liquid lipstick lip gloss lip liner set. What colors do we got? Deep nude. I am perfect. I am awesome. I love myself. It's neat. Rosarco Milk reparative leave-in conditioning spray. Ooh, I need this. It's a lightweight spray with a blend of rosehip, argan, coconut oils. Smells good. Those are pretty. Face mask. Karuna hydrating face mask. It's made with 100% natural wood pulp fibers and allows the pores to fully absorb essential nutrients and nourishing ingredients for ultimate up, and then all the masks are in there. So, okay, and then we got a Gypsy Boho Beach Roundy. Whether you're headed to a picnic, the beach, or a springtime concert, get around town with the perfect roundy. No, that's what it says.
What is it?
It's like a towel.
What's a roundy? Is it a...
It's like a beach towel.
Or is it just something you put around your shoulders to like cover up your... No?
No, it's not clothes.
Why would you get around with it then if it's not clothes?
Because you bring it to where you're going. Don't try to argue with the roundy.
I don't understand the roundy.
Alright, well that's what it is. It's this big honk-a-tonk.
That's pretty.
It is pretty. And then we got hair, skin, and nails gummies. Nature's Bounty. Hair, skin, and nails. I'll try it, but I already have hair, skin, and nails from It Works. So, I'll definitely try these. I'll probably remember to take these better, but 40% off with my discount. So contact me, message me, find me on social media. All the links are below, and I'll hook you up. Beach, please.
What's that?
It's like a little to-go thing. You can bring it to the beach and put like your phone or wallet in here.
Does it lock?
Well, it doesn't lock. It's open. It's good material though. All right. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really short video, I know. And I will see you in my next video. Please, please bear with me. I'm coming back. I'm getting my life back. I'll be back. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm still a little foggy, but I'll get there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I have a $10 off code if you guys want to get your own box and have fun like I am with this. They do ask you a bunch of questions as far as what relates to you and what you like and whatnot. So if you want to do it, link is below and all my social media is below. Hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye.